Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, you are going to learn amazing idioms and their meanings. But you are going to guess the idioms by looking at the pictures. Are you ready to guess the idioms? Let's get started without further ado. Yes, first one, look at the picture and guess the idiom. You have 5 seconds. It's bucket list. Bucket list. It means a list of goals that one wants to achieve before dying. For example, I want to become a TEDx speaker. That's in my bucket list. Second one, it's break a leg. Break a leg. Break a leg means good luck or all the best. It doesn't mean that you're going to break someone's leg. Break a leg, it means good luck, all the best. If someone goes for an interview and you can tell them break a leg. Next, it's chicken out. Chicken out. Chicken out means afraid to make a decision. Afraid to make a decision. Fear, afraid. You can use this idiom, chicken out. I used to chicken out to go for an interview. Next, it's a very easy idiom. Raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs means raining heavily. Raining heavily. Yesterday it was raining cats and dogs. That's why I couldn't attend the party. Next, it's feeling blue. Feeling blue. Feeling blue means feeling sad. Why are you feeling blue? What happened? You can use instead of saying feeling sad. Instead of asking why are you so sad, you can use this idiom feeling blue. Why are you feeling blue? Okay viewers, that's all in today's video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.